Hello, in this video I'm going to talk to you a bit about Droplet Boards and what they are. Each board is what you see on the phone here, or on the representation of the phone on the Mac OS, and it's 20 slots for actions that you drop on there, whether those are URLs, files, folders, shortcuts, just about anything can land on a board. And I like to organize them based off of different projects. I consult with people, I do music projects, I travel, so I have a board for just about every one of those. And to access these, you just tap on the name of the board right here and it pulls up your list. So we can see on my end I have an app switcher that I like to use. I have folders for when I do podcasts for a few different churches, and weather one for skiing, and list for traveling. So each one of these is just one layer deep, easy to pull up. Shortcuts can access them, so you can kind of get quickly to the thing that you need. We're all about going straight from your intention to execution without the headache of diving through all of these different layers. And it's really easy to create a new one. You just press this plus icon, type it in, and those boards, as you saw when I was switching, if you can see the computer screen on your version of this video, that they stay in sync. So if I switch on the computer over here, go to the Droplet development board, pulls right up on the phone. Keeps everything in sync, execute from one to the other, less context, switching headaches, and just a great way to keep everything organized.